We've been talking about Trojan viruses, and you specifically mentioned the back office rootkit, Remote Access Trojan, RAT. How can an organization detect this Trojan virus?
So rats can be difficult to detect because the action performed can be similar to those of the legitimate programs. Most of the time, a rat enables administrative control. It makes it possible for the intruder to do just about anything on the target computer and a network. So to protect your system from rat, it's better to perform signature and behavioral analysis to prevent the malware infections. Of course, it's a good idea to keep antivirus software up to date on the endpoints, but it's not always possible or not always helpful. Sometimes antivirus will not detect rat. Anyway, we have been more successful capturing rat activity on with our customers using our real-time threat monitoring, anomaly detection, and monitoring of outgoing traffic. We create strict protocol and response for our cyber team on detecting the rat on our clients' networks. Also, we do another important part is training customer and staff to avoid downloading programs and opening attachments that aren't from the trusted sources.